Some days feel harder than others, and yet there's still a house to clean, a checklist to be completed, and a household to take care of. If you're feeling unmotivated and completely unprepared to get done all the things that you need to get done today, you're in the right place. I'm feeling the same way, but let's get this done together. To get started, let me bring you around the house and show you all the little messes that I need to get taken care of today. My sister-in-law is coming into town to stay over with us, and we have not seen her in a year. My house is not in too bad of shape, but definitely needs to be tidied up. Things need to be put away, counters need to be wiped down, and the floor desperately needs to be washed. I unfortunately caught a small little cold. It wasn't too bad, but it still made me feel so exhausted. If I'm being honest, it was probably the best cold I've ever had. I definitely would take this over the pneumonia that I had in October. Here's our dog, Millie, all snug with the blankets on the couch. Give this video a thumbs up to say hi to Millie. Whenever I feel unmotivated to clean, I always start with the area in the house that is bothering me the most. And normally that is the kitchen sink. So that is exactly where I'm starting today. I'm getting everything loaded into the dishwasher that can go in there, and then I'm going to hand wash everything else and scrub out the sink. Nothing gets me motivated and ready to go than taking care of the one area that makes my house feel much more dirty than it probably really is. What is that area for you? Leave a comment down below letting us all know where you're getting started with your cleaning, especially when you're feeling so unmotivated to get it all done. During this week, I had caught a small little cold. And like I said, it was probably the easiest cold I've ever had. And I definitely think that is because of the honey mixture I've been taking since before Thanksgiving. If you've seen previous videos of mine, I've mentioned it a few times, but it is just honey, ginger, turmeric, and some vanilla. I mix it all together in a mason jar and then just leave it in my pantry, and every single day take a spoonful of it with a glass of water, first thing that I consume for the day. And it is definitely working to help me during this cold and flu season. I live in Massachusetts. We do have very cold weather and snow, and cold and flu season is definitely running rampant right now. I know a lot of people who have been sick. I've also been drinking a fourth a cup of pineapple juice every single day, and that has helped a lot too. Pineapple juice has an enzyme in it called bromelain, and that works to break up any sinus mucus that you have. A lot of times it's caused from allergies, and I do suffer from seasonal allergies. In the fall and in the spring, I pretty much always have a postnasal drip, and a girl started recently working with me, and she heard it when I was talking to her on the phone. She's like, "Oh my gosh, you have a postnasal drip. You need to start drinking pineapple juice." I've never been told this before, and I even worked for an allergist for a short period of time, and it was never brought up. So I started drinking pineapple juice in the fall, and I feel like my postnasal drip has pretty much disappeared. It has definitely worked very well and has been such a simple thing to implement into my daily routine. So if you are suffering from allergies or this cold and flu season, definitely implement honey and pineapple juice. I definitely recommend it if you need some help in those areas. having a cold and a toddler. I work a full-time job. I have to keep up with this house, and my husband and my sister-in-law was also coming over this weekend. It was very overwhelming. I wanted nothing more to do than just to take a nap and get a little extra rest. Thankfully, I was sleeping really well at night. That was a bonus. But still, anytime you're sick, it just takes a little bit out of you and makes your everyday daily tasks and routines a little bit more of a struggle. But we are getting through it. I'm feeling a lot better today than I was on this day that I was trying to do all of the cleaning. And if you are feeling this way too, extra motivated because of one extra thing that is happening to you, don't be overstressed or put too much more on your plate than you really do need to get done. Even the cleaning, sometimes it can wait, and that's fine. But if there is cleaning that you need to get done or want to get done because it's going to make you feel a lot better, then come hang out with me and we can get the cleaning done together. This is my toddler's little table. He sits at this table all day, every day. He has his meals here. He loves to color. His birthday was in January, so that's why we still have some balloons and his little birthday cards out. The balloons are finally starting to deflate, so those will be going away pretty soon, but I figured we would just keep them until they deflated so he can enjoy them a little bit longer. I am almost done with the kitchen. I just need to wipe down the island and the floor. I'm gonna just do the floor all together at the end and just get all these surfaces picked up, things tidied away, and the countertops and tables wiped down. And then at the end, we will take care of the floor. Moving into the dining room, I just have a few things here on the table and also a game here on the bench that all needs to be put away, cleaned up, and then I need to wipe down this kitchen table. I showed you my dog at the beginning of this video. As you saw, she is a black lab and her hair sheds like crazy. So the bottoms of these chairs, just her hair collects all on here. So I'm going to just quickly rub all these down and basically dust them, just removing all of the dust and especially my dog's hair. Part of cleaning the floor, there's little like pads that we put on the bottom of these chairs so that they don't scratch the floor. So a quick, easy step, but can so easily be missed in doing some of the cleaning. Makes a huge difference when this is done now. We have gained some momentum here, getting a little bit more motivated and moving right along this checklist that I have for myself. Now we are in the living room. I'm just going to straighten up some of these blankets. As you saw, my dog loves to lounge around on the blankets, and it was a dark, rainy day this day, so I just wanted to make it nice and comfy for her so she could just hang out and sleep throughout this nice, quiet, rainy day while I got some cleaning done. I'm using the Sprayway glass cleaner to wipe down these glass doors. They get so filthy with a 3-year-old and a dog, and the Sprayway glass cleaner is so satisfying to use. It's foaming and cleans so well. So if you have not tried it, definitely give it a try. It will make your cleaning process a little bit more enjoyable. Last on my list is to get the floors cleaned. I'm using this mop vacuum combo. It's from Osatec and has been such a lifesaver. It's doing both vacuuming and mopping the floors at the same time, saving me a lot of time and energy. It kind of like self-propels, so I don't really need to exert so much energy in cleaning the floors. And my whole floor is hardwood floor here on the main living floor, so it is exhausting when I have to vacuum and then mop, which I have done forever living in this house. So I am so appreciative, especially on this day where I'm very unmotivated to clean, to have a product like this that'll make my life so much easier. If you have a cleaning list to do today too and feeling unmotivated like I was, I encourage you to get a task done while you watch me complete the vacuuming of the rest of my house. It'll take us a couple more minutes, so get your laundry basket and do some folding or start doing some of the dishes. And before you know it, you'll start to get that motivation you're desperately looking for to get some cleaning done in your house today too. Here is how dirty my floor was and how desperate I needed to clean it. It was absolutely disgusting. I don't really like to show this. I don't really like to watch it, but for today, I thought it was important for you to see how dirty my floor was, because sometimes I feel like it looks like I'm cleaning an already clean floor, and trust me, it is not. That floor I could clean every single day and still not feel like it is as clean as I'd like it to be. Here is a glimpse of my nice clean house. Everything is put away where it belongs. Counters are wiped down, floors are clean, and it feels so good to have all of this done. I hope you were able to get some cleaning done alongside me if that's what you do while you watch my videos, or if you're just here to gain some motivation. I hope when you leave here, you're able to check off your to-do list too. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to hang out with me today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have not yet, please consider subscribing. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday and would love to have you join me here.